Hi Virgo! What's up? Kamusta po kayo lahat? So I hope everyone's doing okay. So for today Virgo, gagawin natin ang inyong reading for the month of December 2025. This is just a general reading. Titingnan lamang po natin kung ano ba mga maaring ganap by the month of December 2025 sa inyong buhay, pag-ibig, kaperahan, and also something in general. This is just a general reading again, so please only take what resonates, leave what doesn't. Okay, so dun lang tayo sa nakaka-relate tayo. Okay, kapag hindi po tayo makarelate sa message, ibigay po natin sa ibang Virgo, okay, na nakikinig ngayon. And, yeah, so also please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe for more videos in the future, okay? So, let's see. Ano ba mga dapat asahan ni Virgo by the month of December 2025? So, Virgo, for the month of December, you've got here, I've got your 3 cards. I'll take them all. So, I've got here first, basket, recognition, reward for merit. So, basket, this talks about parang may makaka-receive ka ng parang sa finances, sa career mo, sa kaperahan. Yun, may abundance ako nakikita dito, okay? Also, recognition, maaaring makilala ka sa ginagawa mo, pat in the back ka, like parang, like masabihin ka ng job well done, or good job about what you do. Reward for merit, it's like something that you do na makikilala ka, or something that you do na, na parang mahangaan ka ng tao, or ma-appreciate ka ng mga tao. Also, I'm seeing here abundance because of what you did, okay? Or something that you have, it's hard earned or you work hard for. Also have your wedge, someone is trying to come between you and a friend or something you want. Okay, so mag-ingat lang po tayo sa mga taong medyo parang, or this could be a situation, this could be a person literally na gustong mag-come in between, like parang gusto niyang pumagit, hindi pumagit na pumagit na yun yung parang ibabalas na yung situation. Pero hindi, siya yung gusto niyang parang umepal ba? Ganun. Sorry for the term. Pero parang ganun. Gusto niya na kunin yung para sa'yo. Okay? Nag-ingat lang po tayo. This could be something that you really, really want to have. But merong gustong umepal. Ganun. I can't find of any exact term but that. You also have your vase. Secret admirer. Okay, vase. So, there's someone who's admiring you daw. Okay? There is someone who is possibly, maaring kilala mo na tong tao na to, maaring aware ka na kung sino to, pero hindi mo masyadong napapansin. Okay? But there is definitely someone that is admiring you from afar. Okay, 4 cards. Okay, I'm gonna take them all. Hindi ko pa ba to, okay. Pero magiging unfair sa iba. So, 4 lang. Sige na nga, 5 na. Nakuha ko na Okay, so let's see kung ano ba yung mga cards na ito. You also have here rabbit. Too much concern with sexual matters. So, maaring ikaw to, Virgo, maaring someone else to na related sa'yo, na konektado sa'yo, na maaring may urges, ganun. Meron concerns about sexual matters. So, talagang, I don't know kung, alam nyo na, RPG 13, ay 18 pala, sorry guys, sorry YouTube. RPG 18, basta, baka merong kailangan, basta ganun. So, ask your partner, or it's maybe you. You also have your June. So, maybe June is significant, the month of June is significant. It looks like an angel, isn't it? So, I don't know if merong, wag naman sana, literally, wag naman sana, like, tao ito na mamamaalam sa buhay mo, like, you know what I mean? But, maybe someone will just, I'm seeing you possibly, like, giving a flower to someone, but also, like, in metaphorical sense, someone that you will maybe give something because it's like parting ways. I don't know. I'm feeling that. Huwag naman sana. Maybe nangyari na yun this June, this year's June, or next year's June. You also have your cup. You should accept valid criticism. So, matuto daw tayo tumanggap ng constructive criticism or criticism na galing sa iba. So, it doesn't mean naman na pinuna ka, gusto kang pabagsakin or nilalait ka na hindi ka magaling. You should accept daw, lalo kung constructive naman yun para sa ikabubuti mo, okay? You also have your bird perch, waiting for news, package, or letter. So, maaring meron kang hinihintay na balita or something that you will receive. Virgo, okay? Maaring matagal mo na itong hinihintay and talagang naiinip ka na dyan. Whatever it is. You also have your apple. Temptation will test you, okay? So, maaring matukso daw. Maybe, mag-ingat tayo sa mga third party. Mag-ingat tayo sa mga hindi naman dapat gawin, okay? Okay, let's move on to your tarot. Okay. Anong mga maaring expect ni Virgo in general for the month of December? Have your Four of Wands, celebration, success, victories. I'm hearing or I'm seeing like pagiging successful sa isang bagay or pagiging successful and people will like also celebrate, excuse me, with you about your wins, okay? Could be dealing with a fire sign, RC or Sag, with regards to possibly something that you did in the past or bagay na mga ginawa mo in the past, bagay na ginawa mo in the past that maybe you have collaborated with another people. I'm also as well seeing you still possibly dealing with other people by December 2025. So parang makikipag-collaborate ka maybe with other institutions, other companies, other employers, something like that, other groups, or other individuals as well. Okay? What else for December? I'm about to say January. So baka tatagal yun ng mga ganun ng January. Pakikipag-usap, pakikipag-transact, pakikipag-negotiate, parang ganun. Kasi Page of Cups, so this talks about creativity. So, maaring i-reward ka about your creativity. Maaring i-reward ka about your mga bagay na ginagawa mo related maybe sa creativity. Maybe you're into painting, you're into drawing, you're into sketching. Something na you really do na you will gain recognition and like a job well done, a pat in the back, mga ganun. What else? What else can Virgo expect? So, Three of Swords. What's this? Could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Also, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, by the way. Nandito na lahat ng signs. Okay. Mag-ingat lang kasi baka may heartbreaking. Mag-ingat lang sa heartbreak around December for Virgo, okay? Possible with a Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. What's this? Strength card. Okay. It's like someone will resist or someone will parang, what is this really? Page of Swords and the Page of Pentacles. Someone will kind of like, I don't know kung tatakbo or someone will parang hindi haharap sa responsibilidad or hindi ibibigay yung para sa'yo or hindi nagiging totoo, okay, sa intentions nila or sa bagay na ginagawa nila by December 2025. It's like, I'm hearing this person may want to leave your situation or gusto nitong person na to eventually iwanan ka or alisan yung situation yung dalawa. Mag-ingat ka kasi baka iba to sa expectations mo. Maari din nilulook up mo tong tao na to. Okay, if this is an individual. Mag-ingat ka kasi because this person could be deceptive. Tell me more about the situation, please. What is this? Hanged Man. Okay. And yeah, parang mas ma-compromise yung ano mo, yung fortune mo or yung stability mo Okay? Yung pag-usad mo sa buhay, parang magkakaroon ng delay or masa-stuck ka instead of stable ka sana. Okay? So, mag-ingat lang with either ay Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Maybe related din ito sa work. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Leo is what I'm seeing. Okay. Anything else that Virgo may encounter in general? Nine of Pentacles. So this talks about being stable. Parang you are okay, you are nagiging abundant ka sa sarili mo lang. So parang nagiging parang maybe because of your hard work, your efforts, you are being stable on your own. You are enjoying the fruits of your own labor, okay? And I'm seeing you possibly dating someone, or you will date someone in December. Could be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or basta I'm seeing you that being happy and being fulfilled with your parang ini-enjoy mo yung mga past na ginawa mo. Ini-enjoy mo yung mga bagay na parang ngayon mo sila napapakinabangan. Parang ngayon ka nagsi-celebrate because of them. And I'm seeing you parang enjoying your life lang to the fullest. Parang ganun. Okay? Okay, let's move on specifically sa career. Anong meron kay Virgo? Tower. So maybe in the past naka-experience ka ng tower moments. Parang sorry sa aso guys. Yung parang things are falling apart, things keeps on falling apart. Could be dealing with a Scorpio. Yeah, maaaring nagkaroon ka ng missed opportunity in the past. Parang nawala sa'yo, pinaghirapan mo, nawala sa'yo. Parang nakuhaan ka, nanakawan ka, parang mga ganon. Makikita ko dito parang pinaghirapan mo, tapos parang napunta sa wala. Parang naglaong, parang bula. Ganon. Parang naririnig ko parang itinakbo. Ayun. So, ano pa? Yeah. In December, so I'm seeing you possibly moving forward from that situation. And, Four of Cups. Okay. So you can see. I'm seeing you may be able to manage the situation. Medyo naging frustrated ka. And maybe nagkaroon ka ng missed opportunities regarding sa finances mo. I'm also hearing the word like parang split. So I don't know what that means, but ang ingay. Alright, so what else for Virgo for the month of December? Eight of Cups, okay, and the Ace of Swords. So I'm seeing you possibly nag-walk away ka in the past, like parang feeling mo hindi nag-work sa'yo yung isang bagay, it didn't bring you parang stability, or it didn't went out well, it didn't work well, ganon. Parang I'm feeling here, hindi mo siya, parang you have no choice but to leave the situation behind, okay? Kasi nga hindi siya fulfilling na feeling, okay? And Ace of Swords talks about parang you will gain clarity about it, you will either communicate to someone, or you will find out the truth, okay? About something, about that specific situation. Okay. Ano pa for Virgo career? Anything else you wanna tell? Yeah, Queen of Pentacles, I'm seeing you. Five of Swords. Mag-ingat lang ulit ma-repeat yung cycle, Virgo, okay? Na parang nagkakaroon ka ng mga missed opportunities. Like, I could suggest na tingnan mo mabuti yung mga katransak mo. Kasi parang nakikita ko yun sa reading mo na regarding mga taong katransak mo. Okay na may pagka-deceptive. Okay? So, mag-iingat ka sa mga taong mga nakakadeal mo. Ganyan. And ma-repeat ulit yung cycle kasi baka magkaroon ka na naman ng situation na may power tripping ako nakikita, or pag parang binubuli ka yung energy, you know? Yung parang nilalamangan ka, or basta pinapower trip ka. May pinaglalaroan ka, hindi mo alam regarding your finances. Parang ginagamit nila yung power nila para, authority nila para mambuli or man-trip. May parang ma-underdog ka. How about sa love? Kamusta about si Leo? You're really dealing with a Leo. Okay, Virgo, some of you have a family. If single, I'm seeing emotional fulfillment. I'm seeing both of you have emotional fulfillment, maybe with regards to love by December. There's a baby, so some of you could be taking care of a baby. Hingin ng aso. Ano pa? The Lover's card could be dealing with a Gemini, or meron kang kapartner or katuwang maybe about sa pagpapamilya or sa pagtaguin ng pamilya. Oh, it will end. Okay, there will be an ending with regards to a family situation, maybe about a partner. Death card, there's an ending and transformation. With endings comes new beginnings. So I don't know about this. What is this? Knight of Pentacles. So, this could slow down your stability in life. Okay, what is this specifically? What is this specifically na Five of Wands? So, this may cause conflict. This may cause... I'm hearing if you're not okay with your partner is not doing well. It's like they're enduring pain, they're enduring burdens, is what I see. Oh, World card. I'm seeing something literally ending. Hopefully, it's not life. I mean, hindi siya actual tao na mamatay, but I'm feeling it could be for some of you, no? Hopefully not. That's quite sad. Yeah, because someone is being very burdened na check nyo yung mga kasama nyo sa bahay, yung mga, especially your partner, baka nahihirapan na yun sa life. Ganon, hindi nyo alam may iniinda na pala. Okay, kasi parang nakikita ko, nahihirapan na tong person na to sa buhay. And maybe hindi niya lang sinasabi sa'yo, but they're just carrying on with life. Pero hirap na to. Baka may sakit, ganon, diba? What else in love? So, endings. Okay. Six of Pentacles. This talks about mutual give and take. What about... Okay. Moving forward. Could be dealing with another Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a Cancer. Two of Pentacles. I'm seeing you being stuck for like a while. The right word could be mahirapan ka mag-move on from this situation. It's like you are indecisive about moving on or moving forward. Parang hindi mo alam kung paano ka mag-move forward in life after this opportunity has been taken away from you. It's like, the opportunity can, isa siya sa form ng tao, ng commitment, ng bagay, ng gamit, or ng sitwasyon. Okay, but what I'm feeling in here is, since this is love, this is a person. Okay, this person could be really, I'm hearing devoted, and also parang sweet, and parang I'm hearing maalaga din. parang maayos ka pinakisamahan ng tao na ito. Okay? Any more messages for Virgo for the month of December? So, check niyo yung mga kasama niyo sa bahay. Lalo yung partner niyo. Check niyo sila. How are they doing? Are they still okay? Meron ba silang mga iniinda? Meron ba silang mga baka hindi lang sinasabi na nararamdaman, tinatago kasi nahihiya, mga ganun. Okay, so you have your King of Wands, the Hermit, and the Queen of Cups. Yeah. Ano ba to? Nakakaiyak naman yung mga mensahe. Ba't ganun? Yeah, Seven of Wands. I'm hearing baka pag tinanong na tong person na to, hindi naman magsabi or hindi umamin. But, what I'm seeing in here is Virgo energy. You may take time to find out about something related to that person. What is the Queen of Cups? What is the Queen of Cups? Yeah, I knew it. It's like hindi mo makukuha yung sagot na hinahanap mo. Okay, if it's medical, guys, again, you must seek professionals about it. Okay, so I suggest na if you're thinking that your person is sick or something, then you accompany them or may samahan nyo magpa-check up, bigyan nyo ng pera pang pa-check up, supportahan sa pagpapa-check up, mga ganun, diba? Para matingnan sila. But anyway, so as what I can see in here, maybe kasi hindi rin nila alam pala. Hindi rin nila alam, High Priestess. So, pero feeling ko talaga may nararamdaman na tong person mo. There's the Magician card. Eight of Wands. Meron na tong iniinda. Meron na yung parang mga triggers, may mga nararamdaman na yun sa katawan. Two of Swords, na hindi niya lang ma-pinpoint. Okay? Hindi niya lang ma-pinpoint, hindi niya lang masabi kung ano ba maybe yung sakit niya or ano, kung meron ba talaga. Pero meron na yung nararamdaman. Kaya related sa ano, maybe somewhere about sa puson or about, I'm hearing parang related sa, if this is a woman, related sa reproductive system, ganon, or something about the chan, something about digestion, maybe. Kasi sapo-sapo na, diba? So, maybe something about the chan, something about the digestion, something about excretion. Parang nahihirapan to mag-CR, nahihirapan to mag-digest ng pagkain. Last, yeah, check on your family members, especially your partner, since this is a love reading. Okay, Virgo, so there. So, hopefully, things will just be okay. And, yeah, thank you so much again for watching, Virgo. Thank you so much for watching your reading. Please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. And, yeah, see you on our next readings, guys. Bye!